Welcome to Patagonia Motorcycles. Today I will be showing you the easy step-by-step process for out-of-state purchases. So, now that we've picked out your bike, we will send you a full 360 walk-around video, fender to fender, giving you all the information you need for your purchase. After you review the video, we can help you choose from one of our many shipping companies and help you obtain a quote. Once the balance is paid and transport is scheduled, you will receive updates up until your motorcycle is delivered. At this point, you have received your motorcycle, which comes with a 30-day temporary tag to give you more than enough time to register your bike in your state. If you have any other questions, feel free to call. We're here to help. Make sure you check out our full inventory at PatagoniaMotorcycles.com and leave us a review.